Mazi Nnamdi lawyer, he said that they are fully ready anytime, any day where the persecutor wey be Nigeria government bring their witness for inside court. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen. They say that the resistance fighters don come outside say they don know all the whole secret, the titles wey Nigeria take dey work, and for that they can never win them. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. You see the here they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, I will see all the update of Mazi Nnamdi court today. Oh, now the lawyer don come outside now come talk say even they say they wan bring 100 testimony or 100 witness. So anyhow wey they take come, he say they dey gidigbam, they are not shaking. However, I'm going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue.
Okay, so you moved the application for bail for your clients today, and the court adjourned to March for ruling.
Yeah.
An overview of the proceedings today, are you satisfied?
Well, I am. It was tough. There are a lot of issues that arose today that are unexpected, but I'm satisfied the way we address those issues on the spot. A little disappointment remains that the court could not do a bench ruling on the bail application today. See, our client here has been detained for almost 5 years, counting to when he was detained from 2015 to today. So each extra day he remains in detention is a blight on his right to his liberty. So every lawyer should fight to have him enjoy his bail, be granted bail, so he can enjoy some freedom from this almost 5 years of detention and almost 7 years of being in exile. 3 weeks is not too much, but I would have preferred a bench ruling today.
But so far today, the court gave some orders in favor of your clients with regards to his change of attire.
Yes.
Which has been wearing since 2021.
Yes.
That is a step in the right direction. How do you react to that?
Well, it is, even though it detracted from him having to wear his traditional clothing. A little bit of a victory there is something to be happy about. So at least he can have a change of clothing since he was renditioned in 2021. So we're happy about it.
So was it? I want to know the reason behind the change of counsel. Is there a reason behind that? Because Michael Zekome...
There's only one reason. Every client, everywhere in the world, has a right to change his counsel anytime. I may not be the one here on 19th March. By the grace of God, I hope I will be, but it may not be me. That is the right. So you have under the law to change their counsel.
So as you prepare for trial, sir, on the 19th, what's your position on the 7 counts that he's going to be facing before this court?
We've always been ready for trial, but as my Lord stated, trial is not for us to conduct. It's for the prosecution to conduct. Ours is to do cross-examination and put our defense at the end of the trial. We're ready.
Thank you very much.
The bail application is not meant to delay trial, as the prosecution suggested. No, we're ready. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, Nigeria, I don't talk this in before. Nigeria government has no option that to release Mazi Nnamdi and conduct a referendum in the southeast. That is the only way forward, because no matter what you do, the people will still tell you Biafra. When something hard, they will remember you Biafra. So the best option is let everybody decide in faith. Those who say we want to stay, if there are many, then they will not follow you. If all those who say no, we still want, then you can do them anything, because the referendum has been conducted. conduct a referendum and leave all this beating around the bush. You can't force people to be with you. You can't force people to live with you. You can't force people to do things with you. It's impossible. However, let's jump into this another Ogbonge news where we get for our hand. They said the Biafra resistance fighter don't come outside. The content the Nigeria government say since we say them know their tactics where they use, and with this they no fit defeat them for any battle. Let's watch the video before we come back and continue.
Yes. If you don't know, I've told you severally that a lion can only give birth to a lion. A lion can never give birth to a goat. If you know, you know. We are your nice war smell because we know everything you can do. We know your strength. We know your weakness. And believe you me, we will force you to exhaust all your strength, finish. Only remain your weakness, and then we will deal with you in our own way. Yes. How far? Have you tired? You came to pursue the indigenous people in N0w. Have you succeeded? You haven't. The war don't tire you. You have wasted so many of your souls and money in war material. And yet, men see the grand grigba. Allow me to salute you, the good people of Biafran, for this holy day of Nnamdi Kanu. I will not be long on air. I just come to make a very brief quotation. We know your weapon. You have only 4 weapons. 1, intimidation. 2, blackmail. 3, terrorism. 4, propagation. Propagating lies. Is there any other thing you have? You are good in intimidating people. And that is the reason ordinary protest is against you. Even when it is boldly written in your constitution, the right of protest, the right of freedom, the right of speech, and yet it's still against you. It's still against you. What you don't know is that now we be your worst nightmare and we will finish you. Nothing you can do. And we tell you that Biafra must come. Biafra must come. Nothing you can do. You have come with your intimidation. We tell you, say, we are above the level that somebody can be intimidated. You have come to blackmail us. And we still tell you, so many of you can testify. And propagating lies.
My wonderful people, no be small thing, no sebi don't hear them. Our prayer is Biafra must be restored, whether they like them or not. My people, please share this video so that other people go they know wetin they go on and also join the matter. Because when you share, you see people wey fit talk for inside comment section. So from there, we go contribute good for the matter. So make sure say you drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share this video. The Nigeria government has no case with Nnamdi. The only option is release. Second option, conduct a referendum, and third option, let Biafra go. So Biafra or Biafra, that is where we stand fully. Guys, share this video, very important. Share the video.